When I started at Park, I came into Park just looking for an opportunity. I started on the plant floor and I started an entry-level job. At that point, the company was growing like crazy. We've come really far in our technology and the way that we do things and the way that we move things around, and it's much improved. In my 7.5 years at Park, I have been in 5 different positions. And with that, my drive, my desire, Park saw things in me that I didn't even see in myself, and were able to just help me to spread my wings and reach out to step outside of my comfort zone for opportunities that were there and were presented in front of me. Park Industries is just built different. I think the leadership team and the way that they present themselves to the rest of the company, the way that they respect us and talk to us and listen to us, and the way they communicate with us about where things are at, it's just a culture that I think is second to none in anywhere that I have ever been. It's amazing what we do as a company. So a little company in St. Cloud, Minnesota that has an impact all across the United States of America, changing granite shops and how they operate. We are digital, we have technology that many of our competitors don't have, and we have a support system that our competitors just frankly don't have. We're the big dog. We are the #1 producer of stone cutting equipment in the United States of America. And we have red, white, and blue all over all of our machines. And I think that that speaks to our culture, to just caring about this country and the people in it, and the amount of detail and effort that we put into being successful, and how that has helped us to be just a leader in the industry. If you're interested in a position at Park Industries, come experience the culture and see what we do. There is so much opportunity here, and I think once you walk in the door, you're going to be hooked and you'll just be looking for more.